Alright, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to add text in Photopea in 2026. Yeah, super beginner friendly, and you'll be able to design stuff really quickly. First, open Photopea in your browser. Once it loads, either drag and drop your image into the workspace or click File, then Open. This is where your design starts. Now go to the left toolbar and find the Text tool. It looks like a letter T, click on it, and then just click anywhere on your canvas where you want to add text. Now just type your text. You can write anything like a title or name. To edit it, go to the top bar where you can change font style, size, and color. If your text is not in the right place, just select the Move tool and drag it wherever you want. You can also resize it if needed. Now here's the fun part. You can make your text look more professional by adding effects. Right-click your text layer, choose blending options, and try things like shadow, glow, or outline. Once everything looks good, go to File, then Export As, and save it as PNG or JPEG. And yeah, that's how you add text in Photopea in 2026. Just practice a bit, try different fonts and effects, and you'll get better really fast. All right,